everyone, welcome to Family Storytime. My name is Amber, and today we will be reading Sneeze, Big Bear Sneeze by Maureen Wright. Let's get started. The wind whipped through the autumn woods and swirled to the spot where Big Bear stood. She whirled the leaves right off the trees, just as Big Bear let out a sneeze. The wind said, "Bear, can't you see? The leaves flew down because of me." Bear said, "Wind, it wasn't you. The leaves fell down when I sneezed. Achoo!" Big Bear tried to nail the leaves back using a hammer and some tacks. Why do you think the wind blew the leaves down? You might be right. Let's read on and find out. The wind kicked up and raced to the sky, swinging down low, then spinning up high. She said, "That bear knows nothing at all. I dropped the leaves because it is fall." Big Bear walked as the cold wind blew and came to a tree where apples grew. Just as Big Bear let out a sneeze, branches shook in a very strong breeze. "Oh my," said Bear with an unhappy frown, watching the apples drop to the ground. He knew as they fell with a thumping sound. Do you know what thumping means? So thumping means a loud beating sound. So beat, like a pounding sound. He knew as they fell with a thumping sound that sneezing had made them all fall down. The wind said, "Bear, can't you see? The apples dropped because of me." Bear said, "Wind, it wasn't you. The apples fell down when I sneezed. Achoo!" He put the apples on a branch of the tree, stacking each one carefully. The wind swirled round the forest glen, dipping and whipping back again. She said, "That bear knows nothing at all. I dropped the apples because it is fall." Big Bear lumbered down to the lake. What do you think the word lumbered means? So lumbered means to walk kind of slowly and heavily. So Big Bear walked slowly and heavily down to the lake. 20 geese rested. Not one was awake. Just as Big Bear let out a sneeze, waves splashed up like a stormy sea. The geese flew off with a honking sound, flapping great wings above the ground. "Oh my," said Bear as he looked up high. "What have I done?" he said with a sigh. The wind said, "Bear, can't you see? The geese headed south because of me." Bear said, "Wind, it wasn't you. The geese flew away when I sneezed. Achoo!" Have you ever seen geese fly? I've seen it too, and it's very pretty. The wind spun round the autumn woods, then circled back to where Bear stood. She yelled, "Big Bear, I've had enough. I'm tired of this crazy, ridiculous stuff." What do you think ridiculous means? Ridiculous means to be overly silly for no reason. So Wind thinks that Bear is being ridiculous. He's being overly silly. Wind took a deep breath and let it out with a whirling, twirling, mighty shout. I whip the leaves right off the trees and drop the apples whenever I please. I scare off the geese before they freeze and tickle your nose to make you sneeze. I do it all. I'm the autumn breeze. How do you think that Wind is feeling right now? I think she's angry. Big Bear listened and scratched his head. You could have told me before, he said. The wind's deep sigh shook the sky. Bear said, it's time to say goodbye. He ran to the safety of his den, deep in the heart of the forest glen. Suddenly the door slammed shut. Big Bear's eyebrows shot right up. What do you think it means that his eyebrows shot up? Well, let's find out on the next page. He jumped in bed and covered his head. I know my sneeze didn't do that, he said. It's only the wind on a blustery night. So blustery is another word for windy. So no more sneezes, and he blew out the light. Does he look scared? Yeah, Big Bear is scared. The end. That was a funny story. So Bear thought that all of his sneezes were causing the apples to fall off the trees as well as the leaves, and it caused the geese to fly south. But the truth was that it is fall, and it is currently fall right now. When summer changes over to fall, everything changes outside. The leaves change to different colors, the weather gets colder, and the geese fly south for the winter. Fall is my favorite time of the year. I love how it looks outside, and I love just the cold weather. What's your favorite time of the year? I like that one too. Well, we are going to sing a song about fall. Now just give me one moment to gather my things. Okay. Now this song is called 5 Golden Fall Leaves. And here we go. It goes just like this. 5 golden fall leaves high up in a tree. The wind blows. The leaves shake. And one falls down to me. Falling, falling, falling down to the ground. 4 fall leaves high up in a tree. The wind blows, the leaves shake, and one falls down to me. Falling, falling, falling down to the ground. 3 golden fall leaves high up in a tree. The wind blows, the leaves shake, and one falls down to me. Falling, falling, falling down, falling to the ground. 2 golden fall leaves high up in a tree. The wind blows. The leaves shake. And one falls down to me. Falling, falling, falling down to the ground. One golden fall leaf, high up in a tree. The wind blows. The leaves shake. And one falls down to me. Falling, falling, falling down to the ground. And now there are no more. Yay! And that's it for our song. Well, now it is time to say goodbye. And I have a song that I sing whenever I say goodbye to you. And it goes just like this. Hands go up and hands go down. I can go and touch the ground. I can listen, so can you. I can read, how about you? I can wave, and I'll show you how. Story time is over now. Goodbye until next time.